Right, this machine is the centre lathe, and you're going to use it to face off and drill the end of this bar as an introductory exercise. So first of all, we'll just run through the parts of the lathe so I know which bits we're talking about. This is the headstock, this is the chuck, this is the saddle, and this is the tailstock. This is the lathe bed in here. Think of it as a horse: head, tail, saddle. So the saddle moves the tool along the work and the cross slide moves it across. The work goes round in the chuck. So the first thing we've got to do is to put the piece of bar in the chuck so that you've got about 10mm sticking out of the chuck like that. It's not critical. And what we're going to do is to move the tool across like that. So across there, and we get a nice smooth end. So to turn the lathe on, this black knob at the front, you push it down. You turn it off, you pull it up. Or you can turn it off with a bar down here where my foot is. So if I turn it on, I can stop it with that bar, and that's a brake on the chuck as well. It stops the chuck going round. To reset the switch, just pull it up till it clicks. So on is down, off is up, or with the bar. Okay, back to the work. Position the tool so that it is just clear of the work, not touching it, just clear of the work. And what we're going to do is go across like that. So that's where it should be before you turn the lathe on. Bring the guard down and push the black knob down. Across, using both hands on the cross slide wheel, move it very slowly across, switch off, and have a look. If it's all shiny all the way across, then you've done it. If you can see any of the saw marks on the end, do it again. And that's called facing off, and that's the first thing you do on any piece of lathe work on a round bar. As with any other machine in the workshop, you must make sure you wear safety glasses, no loose hair, clothing, ties or whatever near the machine, and the chuck guard must be down. Also, one specific thing to the lathe is make sure that you don't leave the chuck key in the chuck. Always take it out, put it on the top and bring the guard down before you turn it on. So safety glasses, no loose hair or clothing, chuck guard down, and do not leave the chuck key in the chuck. Always take it out and bring the guard down.